Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you boys and girls? Welcome back in science class. Today we are going to learn about amazing animals. Yes, amazing animals. We are going to learn some animals, how some animal can survive in their environment. I will bring you to some place, okay? What place is it and what animals can survive in this place? Check this out. It's very hot in here. Do you know what place it is? In here, the weather is very hot. It is hard to find water in here. Yes, this is in the desert. And can you find some animals that can live in here? Yes, there are some animals can live and survive in this. And one of them, check this out. Okay, do you know those animals? Yes, those are camels. They can survive in this hot and sandy desert. Why? How they can survive? First, they have ham, punuk, that can store fat and can be changed into energy. Most people think that camel store the water in the ham or the punuknya, but actually it store fat or lemak sebagai cadangan makanan. Next, camels have thick eyebrow and double eyelash, so it protects against sunlight and blowing sands. And next, they have a nostril or lubang hidung that can be closed, yang bisa menutup, so to block out blowing sand. And then they have large spade feet, telapak kaki yang lebar dan empuk. It prevents from sinking into the soft land, mencegah jadi terperosok. And then they can drink a lot of water at one time. Yes, they can drink a lot of water, as much as 40 gallons in one time. Amazing, right? Yes, this is why camels can survive in this hot area, on this hot environment. This is related with Surat Al-Ghusyah, verse number 17. Do they not look at the camel, how they are made? Apakah kamu tidak melihat bagaimana penciptaan unta? Jadi dari penciptaan unta yang luar biasa ini, yang bisa bertahan di daerah yang sangat panas sekali, kita bisa belajar, bisa melihat kebesaran Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar. Okay, next we are going to different area, different environment. Check. Next, do you know what it is? What place it is? In here, this is Arctic or Kutub Utara. Do you think there is animal can survive in this area or in this environment? Yes, this animal can survive in this place. Check. Very cold in here. Yes, they are polar bear. How they can survive in this very cold area? First, they have double layer of fur. Dia punya bulu yang tebal, so it can maintain the body temperature, and it's appear white, so they cannot be seen by hunter and their prey. Dia punya bulu yang kelihatan warnanya putih sehingga tidak terlihat oleh pemburu dan mangsanya. Next, they have thick layer fat under the skin. Dia punya lapisan lemak yang tebal di bawah kulitnya. And keeps the body warm, supaya dan menjaga tubuhnya tetap hangat. Next, they have nostril or lubang hidung that can be closed. And it keeps the water out when they swimming under the water. And then next, they have sharp claws, kuku yang tajam. It help catch other animals for food. And next, they have large wide feet, telapak kaki yang lebar. It prevent from sinking into the soft snow. Those are why this polar bear can survive in this very cool environment. So we have learned how camels and polar bear survive in their environments, that very different environments, that their body is adapted to help them survive in their habitat. Yes, habitat. The habitat is the local environment that they live in. Habitat itu adalah tempat hidupnya mereka. So the habitat of camels is in the desert, and the habitat of polar bear is in the Arctic or kutub utara. And they adapt, menyesuaikan diri dengan lingkungannya to survive, untuk bertahan hidup in their habitat. That what we have learned today. Okay, now next, just find the other animals adaptation. You may read in your handout, or you may googling, just find some animals, how they can survive in their environment or in their habitat. Okay, just read and find out some animals, and then after that you may to go to the life worksheet. There are some animals, you just need to match the animals and their adaptation. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.